These are the ONCE product, the adjustable tie-down clamp. Here's how it works. First, you need to adjust your clamp to your truck bed type. With or without liner, doesn't matter the height or the width. Here's how you adjust the width. And here's where you adjust the height to the specifications of your truck. Here's how to install. Step 1. Pull them apart. Put in top half pressed against top of the truck. Step 2. Insert bottom half into top half, pressing tightly and putting locks into place. Lock it down and you're ready to go.